So finally, breaking news is out. Cognizant has just announced 24-25 batch biggest mega hiring, and Fractal giving you the opportunity to attend the direct test plus interview hiring. Please watch video till end. And Fabric is also going to be a big bulk opportunity. इतनी बड़ी hiring आ रही है कि तुम्हें पता भी नहीं होगा. But please go and watch this video which I already 1 hour ago uploaded. And if you're having any query about Accenture, go and watch this video. Now the thing is, it hardly take 1 to 2 seconds to like this video and do subscribe my channel. So first I want to tell you about this hiring, which is QuickReply.ai just announced officially hiring full stack developer Node and React, means MERN stack development. Gurgaon full time opportunity, on site 0 to 4 year of experience is needed. And one more thing, all MERN stack development is compulsory. Good to have is also, if you having, then this will give you the shortlisting. And all enterprise skill, soft skill is compulsory. Now 0 to 1 year of experience in software development is required. Now who is eligible? 25, 24, 23 up to 2 year we can say, no only 1 year, क्योंकि ये जो लिखा है तो नॉर्मल, इसको तुम अलग कर सकते हो, 4 तक के तो नहीं होंगे, बट ये 0 से 1 ईयर तक के एक्सपीरियंस मांगा है लोगों ने। अब यहाँ पर अगर तुम देखोगे प्योर तुम्हारा MERN stack रोल होने वाला है, देन इफ यू सी प्रोफिशिएंट इन MERN stack who leverage AI tools to produce exceptional output. Now what to do? Put all these domain which is written must have in good to have also in good soft skill. Please put all these domain, and if you see the project detail that you will involve in the complex architecture with large databases, and you have to perform the high performance application using MERN stack, then you have to collab with the team members और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Please put your resume because shortlisting will be there, then you have to give your updated resume, then edit work preference, then complete your application, then submit it as soon as possible. This is mass opportunity bulk hiring, which already Naukri also posted this post, but I am giving you the official link. Please apply it as soon as possible. So Fractal just announced the mega bulk hiring, which is Ikigai AI fellowship challenge is going on. If you see, like this is the big bulk hiring already, but package also, runner up also, and you will get to see the direct interview opportunity also in the Fractal. 20th of January 8th March, यहाँ पे date timing within time period you have to complete the assessment. And why participate? Because direct interview with the Fractal Analytics company, and 20 lakh prize pool will be there, and many more like prizes also there. Winner, top winner, 4th rank वाले को भी यहाँ कुछ ना कुछ मिल रहा है. Now 2+ year of experience in AI, Gen AI is compulsory, AI ML is compulsory, and this is the round 1 which is already live. You can easily give start now also, because registration के बाद तुरंत start कर सकते हो assessment. Then round 2 will be on 27th. तो राउंड 2 27 Feb के बाद चालू हो जाएगा आफ्टर राउंड 1 एंड. So after winning the round 2, you will see the direct interview with Fractal Analytics with the package of 10 LPA. The thing is, you have to note down the date. Round 1 is live, you can easily give it because 27 is the last date. After 27 there will be the round 2 till 8th March. Now take the challenge, click on take the challenge. First you have to register now, and you have to join individually, ठीक है. So this is the direct test opportunity. Apply it as soon as possible. Big mass hiring is going on. So Cognizant mass hiring analyst trainee role 2026 grad 3 year full time degree is compulsory, and there is you can check multiple role like multi-cloud workspace, and all role criteria is different, so you have to read all the description first, then you can easily apply. So please apply for this bulk opportunity in which 26 BCA BSc computer science is eligible, but I already told you कि ये smart operation ठीक है, multi cloud सबका criteria अलग है. Like here 50% is required for this role, but here you can see 60% required for this role. So please read the description, then apply it with the updated resume. Second hiring analyst trainee again, but 24-25 batches eligible. Again the same role, same 4 role will be there. Multi-cloud integrated. This is pure IT. I want to tell you, this is the pure IT computer science batch student is eligible. And this is the workspace multi-cloud, and one more hiring may be there. No, only 3 role is there. So please read the description and apply it as soon as possible. 24, 25, 26 batches eligible. Only 9 days is left. Apply it as soon as possible. So this is the direct test opportunity. This is the big bulk hiring which is officially announced by Quick Reply. So hit the apply button to subscribe my channel. Go to this video, Volvo get role, and a big update already out by Accenture. You can easily check the status of the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Go and subscribe my channel. Do like this video, share my video. Thanks for watching.